Hey, what's up, internet computer holder? This time, my brother, exactly all coin is in the lost, but absolutely, my friend, in the same last 1 hour, all currencies is moving upward now. So therefore, I'm so excited, and absolutely, there is a lot of chances, there is a lot of ways to they will move upward now. Let's see, my brother, to what's the update of internet coin and what's the price prediction, what's the technical analysis. But kindly, please subscribe our YouTube channel if you are new, please, because a basic channel will guide you, update you, and I hope if you follow a basic channel you never lost. Let's see, my brother, this time you can see here the change occur, the internet computer, you can see here ICP, my brother, coin price. So the same time as here, my friend, 45.85 USD dollar. The price is very huge, my brother, and definitely the price is increasing hour by hour, minute by minute. In the last 1 hour is in the profit, last 24 hours is in the profit, but from last 7 days this coin minus 7.68% fails down. So that's mean, my brothers, in the start of month every coin very badly fails down, and I know, my brothers, to upcoming time after this jump, after this fails, they will take a very huge jump now. So that's mean to upcoming time there is a lot of chances they will move upward now. So why are you waiting? Hold it, my brother. Absolutely, the price will be increasing at the mid of month, especially at the end of month. Let's predicate this coin, my brothers, to what's the prediction. Absolutely, after this, my friend, you better understand to upcoming time there is a chance to they will move upward or not. Let's see, my brother. Kindly holder. This time, absolutely, I will predicate this coin, but experts, what the experts said, I also, my friend, tell you. This time, my brother, absolutely, if I predicate for a short time, my brother, so exactly I will understand to upcoming time there is a lot of chances of moving upward. After a fails, they will take a jump, and after a jump, they will fails down. Every frequency is moving in this circulation. So therefore, my brother, you can see here this point they were lost, but in this point, my friend, I am 100% sure the last arrows is moving upward. So therefore, I know to this time ICP, my friend, and upcoming time moving upward now. Yes, there is a lot of chances that they will move upward. So why are you holding? If you hold, so exactly, my brothers, they will give you a profit. Don't sell it. Remember, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a lot of chances they will fail us down, but don't see the short fails, because, my brother, after a fails they will also take a very huge jump now. So just in only you need to hold, and if you hold it, so I hope, my brothers, the big jumps is coming soon now, and I hope they will make you million now. See you next time, holder. Please like this video and also subscribe our YouTube channel, because a basic channel will update you, will guide you every time, and I'm 100% sure to if you follow this channel you never lost. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye.